Hello, this is Shawn. Today it's the poem with anybody else gonna read your poem. It's the part 36. We're almost at the end, so I'm gonna go this on too. And happy Halloween, everybody! Woo! It's my pumpkin over here. I'm gonna call him Pumpkin the Bee. Yeah. Oh no, this is no name because he's a pumpkin. It's just a pumpkin. Ah. Okay. Oh wait. Oh, it's painting down. Okay, done. I just saw this fake because it's just black and this is just dark in here. So it's maybe glowing. Oh yeah. Anyway, so let's get spooky card. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, go. Yeah, go. Lake Slough was a well fishing spot. It is a good spot if you're a fish. None of the 6 of us had well luck. I thought I'd do good because I brought 30 of my best life. What the guys? I said on Sandra. Cables! Cables! Okay. Wait, cable off. How can we do in the cable? One. No. How to do this? Okay, there we go. Oh, here. Just bendy. Okay, done. Yeah, there's 31. Oh my god, there's a 31 fish. Okay, just keep swimming. Just keep. Just keep fishing. Just keep fishing. Just keep swimming, fishing. And flash your dunks. Slow dunk. You got the feeling. What? Okay. How did you do that so good? Dad taught me to use good materials. I replied, it's not a well idea to be in the hot sun all day without a hat. The hot dogs we ate for dinner were good. Laverne said, you did very good today. And now I'm gonna punch myself into the camouflage. Look, just kidding. This is a gun we made for Kyle and he's so creative. No, because Enzo will come in here. Yeah, Enzo, you'll come here to get the 5 things you miss in 5 things you miss at 5 Nights at Enzo. So yeah, just be waiting there. Okay, enough for that. Let's get rolling. They're helping to recycle trash. Students' Thursday lunch trash. Paper goes in the can over there. Many students bring their lunches in lunch boxes. They save in trees. Why? Why we have to save trees? That it's just like hugging a tree hugger. Like that's my move on the worm. But the worm is closed today, so I'm gonna delete the playlist. Okay? I'll delete all the video that I want. But boom. Don't watch this video. This will come into your wasting time. So, oh, hair. The hair is just there's so many gaps. Oh no. Okay, that's enough. Yeah, it's okay. This will be the 5 things you made. I mean, well, go watch that for World Revolution match. There's certain WRM and Chocolate. They will say, and there's a playlist in there. I'm gonna let that only tomorrow because the worm is closed today. So yeah, we have to get the 5 things you missed at 5 Nights at Enzo. Are you ready, Enzo? Are you ready, everyone? Are you ready, guys? Are you ready, me? Yeah. A few students are carrying buckets of food scraps in their hands. They're taking them to the compost pile. Their teacher has helped them learn how to turn garbage into a kind of fertilizer. They have their own garden section. They're growing tomatoes and corn. Wait, what's the question is? Where are the food produce we have left in the ranch? Tomatoes. Let's just try for the food. Tomato is just a big red meat. If you have to get the plastic corn, it will come into pieces like yellow and it will come as sun. That's why they make the earth so the sun. And I don't know. It's not the word. Shawn! It's doing my camera. You messed it up. It's beginning to get dark. Okay, I'm gonna get this on microphone. I don't have microphone. It's beginning to get dark. Its engine hums as a train speeds up the hill. The train carries 50 travelers in its passenger cars. Its tiny car is near the caboose. The passengers get off the train at its next stop. It's hard work to unload the luggage. Another train arrives with its lights on. Its driver has to follow the last train. It's clear this is the wilderness train. Each passenger are on a trip to the Rockies. Well, that's just great! First off, it's beginning to get dark and now it's just happy. Push up. It's a bad. I hear your aunt made a gravy. I hope your appetite is good. You're having the biggest turkey I've ever seen. Your Thanksgiving dinner is always a treat. Where are your plates for setting the table? I'm glad you're inviting the neighbors for dinner too. We're going to enjoy the salad and making. It is true that you're serving fish too. I think you're going to have the Thanksgiving. Well, chicken and fish. Is this camera messed up? Watch it, guys. If you do that, I will punch this one. This little. I'm gonna punch him. Okay. This is the last one so far. No, we have only one more, and it's not on tomorrow. It's just on here. Harer Bulawayo. Shawn! Don't touch my camera again! Sorry guys. Harer Bulawayo and Nyala are three of its cities. The Zimbabwe four neighbors are Mozambique, Zambia, Botswana, and South Africa. Then the Shawn! Don't do that to me. The Tibel, the Shana, and the Shanga, and the Botanga are the main people. Zimbabwe has Shawn! What's he doing there? Animals, birds, and fish are protected. Why besides birds and fish? Just why? What is the birds and fish about? Pincho, puna, pincho, pina, ban. Okay, let's mix it up. Birds is just fly, and fish will swim. So if you mix that up, flying fish. That's a man. Fix this again. Thank you. Elephants, lions, and buffaloes are common. Cheetahs, hippos, and rhinos live there. The most common antelopes are the impala, the waterbuck, and the greater kudu. Three rare antelopes are the eland, the nyala, and the klipspringer. In Hawaiian National Park, you may see a giraffe and hyena and a wildebeest. This word is so hard. Oh my god, I just spit everywhere though. They're just insane words. Okay, moving on. Mambas is lizards, rodents, and birds. The green mamba has lime green skin, a long head, and a large mouth. Pythons eat rodents, lizards, and small mammals. They live in Africa, Asia, and Australia. They attack, grab, and squeeze their prey. The ball python is short, strong, and handsome. Oh my god! The ball python is a short, strong, and handsome snake. It eats rats, mice, and other rodents. The African rock python has black, yellow, and brown. Black, yellow, brown. Black will go in the lack. It will to lack in vitamin C. So yellow, it will yellow. Yeah, low with a lack of low. Lack and low. Brown, it's round. So round lack, low. Low lack round. Bam! These snakes live in South Africa, East Africa, North Africa, and Arabia. Poisonous snakes include cobras, vipers, and rattlesnakes. These snakes are called for helpful and dangerous. Well, duh! It's just a snake. That will never ever else gonna do that. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. We're almost there, and we're gonna be the end of pump section. But anyways, so that is all for this video. If you like, comment, subscribe, favorite, and share, this channel will grow more than ever. And jump in the ball! I'm so pumped up for this. So maybe I'm gonna be wait for the spooky, scary Poemlin.